Welcome to our video showcasing the most powerful machines in the wood industry. Watch as these giants cut, grind, and haul with unmatched precision and strength. Let's dive in. The Stihl MS-881 Magnum chainsaw is like the superstar of the forest, bringing a whole lot of power and a dash of flair to every job. Designed for those who need serious muscle, this chainsaw is a force to be reckoned with. Its mighty engine and razor-sharp blade make slicing through even the thickest tree trunks feel like a walk in the park. Whether you're tackling a massive oak or a stubborn pine, the Stihl MS-881 gets the job done quickly and with style. With its unbeatable combo of power, durability, and flexibility, this chainsaw is a must-have for any professional forester looking to make quick work of the toughest tasks, all while having a bit of fun in the process. The Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw is like the dependable sidekick every lumberjack dreams of. It's built for those who demand high performance and reliability for the toughest tasks. With its robust engine and expertly crafted design, the 572 XP zips through wood with lightning speed and precision, even when the going gets tough. This chainsaw isn't just a powerhouse. It's also easy to maintain and built to last, making it a trusty partner in all your forestry adventures. Whether you're battling through dense timber or facing harsh conditions, the Husqvarna 572 XP stands by your side, turning every job into a smooth, efficient operation. The Timber Pro TL765C track harvester is like the ultimate all-terrain champion in the world of forestry, blending sheer power with nimble agility to tackle any challenge. This powerhouse is built to master every landscape, with its mighty cutting arms slicing through even the largest trees with speed and precision, ensuring minimal downtime. But it's not just about brute strength. This harvester is designed to move and operate with ease, making it a versatile companion in the toughest conditions. With the Timber Pro TL765C, you get a blend of strength and smooth operation that transforms every task into a seamless, efficient experience. The John Deere 437E knuckle boom loader stands out as an ideal choice for fast and efficient wood handling. Its powerful lifting capabilities and precise operation ensure a smooth and safe wood transport process. The well-designed operator cabin offers comfort, while the responsive control system makes executing complex maneuvers effortless. This combination of strength, precision, and user-friendly design makes the John Deere 437E a reliable partner for streamlining wood loading and processing tasks. The Caterpillar 320DFM forest machine is like the versatile hero of the forestry world, renowned for its exceptional strength and unwavering reliability. Designed to excel in every aspect of timber harvesting, this powerhouse handles everything from felling trees to moving logs with remarkable efficiency. Its robust performance and durable build ensure that it thrives in the toughest conditions, making it a trusted ally for any forestry task. Whether you're navigating through dense woods or tackling heavy-duty operations, the Caterpillar 320DFM delivers superior results and dependable performance, proving itself as an indispensable tool in the forestry industry.